Let's the review of Pixel Experience Plus 17th May update on MI1. Now let's skip to the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is Android 11. The security patch is of 5 May. The kernel version is 4.9 kernel is Power Plus kernel. Now let's see some customizations. So in network and mobile network, down here you get Volt, but the sign is not showing. In advanced section, down here you get Wi-Fi calling. In hotspot, you get the same options, but down here you get allow client to use VPN on hotspot. In connect devices and connection preferences, you get Bluetooth cast printing, far easier Bluetooth, Chromebook driving mode, nearby share and under auto. In apps notifications, you get conversations. In notifications, you get notification history and bubbles. Down here you get notification on lock screen, sensitive notifications, skip lock screen. In advanced section, you get hide silent notifications, allow notification snoozing, suggested action and replies, notification dot on app icon, blink light, head up, default notification sound, swipe fingerprint for notifications and DND. In national notifications, you get conversations, notification assistant. In advanced section, you get screen time, default tab, Polish manager, wireless emergency alerts and special app access. And in wireless emergency alerts, you get allow alert, extreme alert, severe alert, amber alert, test alert, area update broadcast, emergency alert history, alert vibration and alert reminder. In battery, you get battery saver. In this you get extreme battery saver. In this you got option of when to use. Suppose you choose always use and turn on the battery saver and turn on. All the third party apps get disabled, as you can see. In this you also get option of essential apps, suppose Gcam. Even the battery saver is on, you can still use the app, as you can see. And in battery saver you can set a schedule and turn off when charged. In battery you get turn on the light when charging, and the battery is pretty good. I get around 6 hours screen on time. In display you get brightness level, dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness. In live display you get color calibration and picture adjustment. In advanced section you get styles wallpaper. In this you get wallpaper. In wallpaper you can choose the wallpaper. In styles you can choose the accent color, font type, etc. And in grid you can choose the grid size. Down here you get lock screen. In this you get notification on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, display media cover art, display music visualizer, show lockdown option, and ambient display. In ambient display, when you turn it on you get pickup gesture, hand wave gesture and pocket gesture. In display you get double to wake, double to sleep, wake on plug, prevent accidental touch, and device in VR. In sound, you can choose the media sounds. Down here you get vibrate for calls. In advanced section you get DND, live caption. In live caption, when you turn it on you get language, hide profanity, show sound label and live caption in volume control. Let's turn it off. If the live caption is on, it will use more battery. Then you get media. And down here at the last you get MI short and answer. When you turn it on, you can choose the headphone type and a preset. In privacy, you get Polish manager. And this you can allow deny permission for certain apps. Then you get show password, notification on lock screen. In advanced section you get device, personalized services, app content, auto service Google, Google Ocean history, activity control, and etc. In security, you get screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. But in this you don't get option of app locker, as you can see. In system, here you get some customizations. First let's say gesture. So in gestures, you get swipe fingerprint for notifications. Quickly open the camera. Navigation. In this you get gesture navigation, 2 button and 3 button. And it's working fine. Now gesture is selected, back button, home button and recents. As you can see it's working fine. Even the 2 button. As you can see the navbar comes, even 3 button. As you can see it's working fine. And in gesture and settings you get gesture indicator, left edge, right edge and edge touch area in 2 button. And settings you get compact layout, show arrow key while typing and invert layout. And in 3 button. And settings you get the same options. So in gestures you get prevent ringing, In power menu you get advanced restart, device control and sensitive content. At the last you get 3-finger screenshot, then you get buttons. In this you get enable on-screen navbar, navigation. In this you get same options. In power menu you get the same options. Then you get end call with R button, long press power button for torch. In volume buttons you get wake device, answer call using volume button, keyboard cursor control, reordered volume buttons, and click to pass a screenshot. First let's turn off the navbar. By turning off the navbar, you can choose the options for hardware keys, that is backlight. In home button you get answer call, long press and double tap. In recents you get short press and long press, but in this you don't get option for back button. In status bar you get network traffic monitor. When you turn it on at a location, you get auto hide and traffic measure in units. Then you get system icons, double to sleep. In clock you get clock position, show seconds and AM/PM style. In battery you get battery style, battery percentage, etc. In brightness you get brightness slider, auto brightness, brightness control, etc. In QS you get quick pull down. Then you can choose the rows and columns in portrait and landscape mode. In recents you get screenshot and select. For clear all you have to go all the way back, as you can see. Now let's check the Geekbench score. The single core score is 167 and the multi-core score is 957. Now let's check safety net and the run test. As you can see, it's passed. Now let's check the manual camera, that is camera API, and start. As you can see, it's passed. Now let's check the Play Store certification. In Play Store and settings, at the last, as you can see, the device is certified. In this video stock launcher with customizations like notification dot, at a glance, adapt to home screen, swipe to Google app, overview suggestions. In suggestions you get suggestions in all app list, suggestion home screen and block tabs. Then you get home screen rotation and about section. In this video stock camera, that is this. But of course you can install GKI which I have installed, as you can see. Now let's check the calls working or not.
Welcome to Jio मराठी साठी एक दाबा. To continue in English, press 2. हिंदी के लिए 3 दबाएं.
As you can see, the call is working fine and the room is very smooth. Return face in major bug. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?